Lamdam asida logi wang badal aishiliba foreigner sing khandoknaba amade masa masagi maramda deport tawkinabagi thodang state government amasung union territory administration singda sinakre haina Ministry of Home Affairs na phongdurakle Lok Sabha gi member Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijamna haukiba March 13 da Lok Sabha da pukhatkhiba wafam amagi paukhum piraduna wafam ase ministry na phongdorakhibane Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijamna lamdam asida census amasung delimitation tawdringaida illegal immigrants sing verification taunaba thangalakhiba wahang adugi paukhum piraduna Minister of State for Home Affairs Bandi Sanjay Kumari Cherol amana hai Laibak asigi logi wangbada leishiliba foreigner sing khandoknaba makoina sathok sasin tawbada athing pinaba amade masa masagi maramda deport tawkinaba state lengak amade union territory administration singda khangankhre madugi manungda government of Manipur su yaure Ministry na mamang chahigi September amada Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 ke section 28 ki makhada thokpa notification amada wafam sing ase khangankhibane Masigi mathakta central government na matam gi oina hiram masigi matangda instruction kaya isu tawkhe instruction sing adugi matung ina government of Manipur yauna state lengak amasung union territory administration singna illegal immigrants sing masak khangdoklaga logi matung ina akhanaba mafam amada thamgadabani amade makhogi biographic amasung biometric particulars sing khongbatlaga Sajindaba Indian documents sing cancel tawgadabani haina khangankhe Masigi mathakta illegal immigrants sing ado deport tawnabagi tamak legal proceeding chathagadabani haina so khangankiba lekhre madugi matung ina state lengak UT administration amate mari leinaba document issue tawriba authorities singna mathau taba action lokhatli haina so cherol aduda makha tana pale